Hello. I just want to briefly introduce our topic for the week, which is content delivery, and think about different ways in which you will explain the course, explain yourself, explain exercises to students, and different ways that you will deliver the actual content of the class. And different disciplines obviously have different methods and different needs in terms of content delivery. For example, a very factual math or science class may require more direct lecturing, whereas a creative writing class, for example, may require very little direct lecturing but more student interaction, and that's how the learning will take place. So I'm going to highlight several different options for providing content, and then the other thing I want you to do this week is start working with your Sandbox Blackboard class. And I know some of you are probably already very familiar with Blackboard, and some of you are complete beginners with Blackboard, so we'll try and help each other out and not get impatient. So what I'm having you do, you've all had a Blackboard shell created for you. It has an ugly sort of code number at the moment. So if you scroll down, you'll see an exercise that I have you change the title of the class and to something that's more appropriate, and also add students to the class, which are your fellow workshop people in your group, and then whatever you create in terms of content delivery and then later assessment, they can take a look at your class, and you can talk in your small groups about how things might work. I've put you in groups randomly at the moment, and hopefully these groups will work out for you. If you do find yourself sort of the only creative writing person in a group of scientists, and this is not really conducive to what you want to do, I can swap people around, but obviously I don't want to be doing that too much, so try to work with the group that you've got, and you might by comparing the needs of content delivery, you might come to a greater understanding of your own needs of content delivery. And if you're used to standing up and lecturing for an hour and 20 minutes, this might be the more comfortable thing for you to do. But you may also decide that that is not appropriate for an online class. You want to do something different for your online class, that you don't need to have it all come from you. If you're very used to doing a flipped classroom, for example, which I do in class, but I actually do record a short lecture of about 20 minutes for my online classes. So it's a matter of adjusting what you already do, and sort of trying to think quite capaciously about how your content can be delivered, and what you think is going to work best. Okay, so that's the goal of this week. Thank you.